And welcome to my channel, The Learning Destination. And today I am going to show you how we can install the web-based user interface on Kubernetes Cluster. So the entire process is very simple and straightforward. This is the link, this is the documentation which you need to follow. And my cluster is already ready here on the Kubernetes cluster. And then let follow this process. So this is the link which I am going to share in the description sections of this video. So copy this link and here let's run this. So you can see that it is creating the Kubernetes dashboard creations done. Then other necessary resources it is creating. As now all the required necessary resources has been created and we can check it under the namespace Kubernetes-dashboard. So let's check all the resources. Here the spelling is wrong. So here you can see that the pod is ready, the service is ready, deployment as well as the replica set, everything is ready. Now, as per the procedure, we need to create one user to log in into web-based user interface. And for that, we need to create the admin user, we need to create one service account, and after that, we need to create one cluster role binding. So let me create this and let me create this file here, new file. I'm giving it name something admin-user.yaml, Control S. Then let's create another file, this one, cluster role binding. Let me give admin role.yaml. Let's save it. Now let's create the admin user. So this is under my manifest and FluentBit folder. Then say kubectl apply and then admin user. Again, the spelling is wrong. Okay, so the service account is created. Now quickly create the admin role binding, this one. So now the admin role binding is as well the created. Now you need to generate the token. So because you won't have the password, and whenever we access the web-based user interface, we use token as a password. So you can extract the token through this. So we get the token. Let's copy it somewhere. Then let's return to the procedure. Now we need to start the kubectl proxy. So basically, when we start the kubectl proxy, it reverses the URL on the particular port number. So let's run it. So now locally we can access the Kubernetes web-based URL on port number 8001. So let me open, the link is already given here. Let me open this. Now we are going to log in through the token, and as I said earlier, and we have already the token, so we can copy here and we can paste it. So here we go. So now officially we have logged in inside the web-based user interface of Kubernetes cluster. Now you can see that there is no any resources. So what I am going to do is I'm going to create some resources. So I have already one file of Nginx deployment, this one, and let me take another terminal and I go in manifest, and then the file name is folder name is fluent build, and then I say kubectl apply, then eks-nginx. So basically I'm going to deploy one nginx deployment. Now let's say kubectl get all. So here we can see that the nginx pod is now running, and there is a service account. We can access this nginx from here, from this particular URL. So it will take some time to getting started. Let's leave it. Then the deployment, the replica set, everything is ready. Okay, now let's see that inside the web-based application. So here you can see that I just deployed the Nginx pod, and now we can see these pods inside the web-based interface. So then other things, you can check secrets, services, whatever you want, you can check it from here. And those guys who have already worked on the Openshift, so I feel like it's a very similar kind of interface as we get it inside the Openshift. So it is very similar to the Openshift, the web-based UI look and feel. So then you can check the namespace here. So everything you can manage from here. Even you can create the deployments as well as the pods, whatever you want. So now let me check that whether it's that Nginx is up or not. So now Nginx is getting up. It is up now. You see that. Welcome to the Nginx. So now this is the applications. We can see everything here. Yeah, that's all for this lecture, guys. If you like my videos, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. That's all for this lecture. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till the time, thank you so much for watching this. Take care.